Hello, today I'll be showing you how to start streaming. First, you need to look up Specky, which you can find at cccleaner.com. You go to the website and you download the free version of the program, free download, then you download from either one of these. I'll just go from the CCleaner, and then you save and run the program. Once you have done that, you open it up and you see your computer hardware. You can see your operating system, CPU, RAM, motherboard, graphics, storage, optical drives, and your audio. What you'll need to do is if you are planning on streaming, you have to find if your CPU core count is sufficient or not. The age doesn't quite matter unless you're getting into the really old stuff. I have a Xeon X5680, which is a hexa-core processor at 3.3 gigahertz, which is pretty good for streaming. Then you also have 24 gigs of RAM. Streaming loves to have a lot of RAM, so you have to know that. And then your graphics card. It would be preferred if you had an NVIDIA graphics card for the NVENC encoding, so it's not done on your CPU and it's only done on your graphics card, because then your game will slow down. Once you find out if you have enough cores, 4 should be enough, but it's recommended to have 5 or 6 when streaming. You then go over to Internet Explorer again, or whatever you use, and you look up OBS. Now this is a classic streaming program. So you download for your operating system, and then mine's Windows. So it'll take you over here and it'll have you download the executable. What will happen is once you open it, it will pop up with, do you want to use this software for streaming or recording? And you'll want to set that to streaming, and because you'll probably be streaming. And after that, it'll say something along the lines of what frame per second do you want? And you say prefer 60 when possible, because that'll be the best experience. And then also put it to your monitor resolution. Okay. Now, what we'll do is so this is open now. We have OBS open, and what you want to do is you want to go to settings. Can't tell if this is shown. Yeah, it's showing. And you want to go to your video settings. Now, if this was not recording right now, you'll see that there's a base canvas resolution, output resolution, and downscale filter. You want to make sure that your resolution is your monitor's resolution, or if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you can go down to here and open the NVIDIA settings. And what you can do is you can change the resolution of your monitor. You can upscale it. So currently I have my 1600 by 900 monitor at 1920 by 1080. And also another thing you can do is you can, when you go to customize and you create a custom resolution, you can also try to increase your refresh rate. So my monitor's refresh rate is 60 frames per second, but I was able to get it up to a stable 76 frames per second. And this should not hurt your monitor at all, so with the resolution or the refresh rate. Now, once you've done that, if you want to do that, you go back to OBS, you make sure that your common FPS value is at 60, and your downscale filter is at bicubic. And you want your outscale resolution to be the same resolution of your monitor. Now, here for streaming, you have to go over to the website speedtest.net and find out what your speed is. Now, once you have found out your download and upload speed, you want to find at least half to more than half of your upload speed. So you go down to OBS, you open up settings, and you go to output. Here you'll put in either half or more than half of what your upload speed is. Then you'll also want to click hardware NVENC if you have a NVIDIA graphics card. If you have an AMD graphics card, it will likely be OpenCL. And then the audio bitrate doesn't really matter in this case. And we won't be touching audio bitrate, advanced encoder settings today. But if you look down here as well, if you want to record locally, you have to find a recording path and you have to find out what quality you want it in. And also if you want it in software or if you want it in NVENC encoding. Always choose NVENC or OpenCL if possible, because I'll give you the best experience. Now here, you want to stream on YouTube, eh? So what you want to do is you want to go to your service, YouTube/YouTube Gaming, primary ingest server, and then what you'll want to do is you'll want to go over to YouTube. All right, so now you're on YouTube. You want to go to your icon over here, and you want to go to Creator Studio. Now that you're in your dashboard, YouTube Studio, you want to go down to here to Other Features, and you want to go to Live Stream Now. Here, this code down here, you want the stream name key. You want to reveal it and then copy that and go over to here and paste it into here. This is the only way you'll be able to stream to your YouTube channel. Also, there's a setting here if you want to record the live stream at the same time that you're playing. It will take more resources, but oftentimes if it doesn't appear on YouTube, like after you've finished your stream and everything, that's a good way to save yourself a stream. Now, if you have any other questions, you can comment your concerns. And thanks for watching.